Excitement and debate erupt as Amtrak unveils its fastest trains yet. But is speed all that matters? Amtrak is rolling out 5 brand-new high-speed Acela trains between Washington, D.C., New York, and Boston, capable of reaching up to 160 miles per hour, starting this Thursday. The very first NextGen Acela departure leaves Union Station in the nation's capital, now under the U.S. Department of Transportation's watch as it reclaims management to restore this federal asset to its former glory. Bound for New York's Penn Station. But here's where it gets controversial. Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy publicly pressed Amtrak earlier this year to beef up security at the busy terminal, echoing President Donald Trump's hard line on crime in Washington. Some riders welcome the added patrols, while others wonder whether federal control will truly make trains safer or simply signal a political power play. NextGen Acela isn't just about raw speed. It's billed as a premium experience, featuring complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi, individual USB ports, power outlets at every seat, and personal reading lights. Business class fares between D.C. and New York hit $498 for a one-way ticket on August 29th, reflecting Amtrak's push to capture travelers who value comfort as much as convenience. And this is the part most people miss. By 2027, Amtrak plans to field a fleet of 28 NextGen Acela trains, offering 27% more seats per departure and expanded service on both weekdays and weekends. As Amtrak President Roger Harris put it, NextGen Acela is more than a new train. It's an evolution of travel, setting what he calls a new benchmark for rail in America. The upgraded fleet was built at Alstom's Hornell, New York facility by skilled machinists union workers, drawing on components from over 180 suppliers in 29 states. Amtrak estimates this network of vendors supported around 15,000 U.S. jobs, underscoring the economic impact of the rail revival. Acela first debuted on December 11, 2000, in what Amtrak calls the nation's busiest corridor. The original sets topped out at 150 miles per hour. Good, but 10 miles per hour shy of the next-gen models. As history repeats itself with faster trains, nostalgia mixes with anticipation for the next chapter in American railroading. Union Station recently saw an increased National Guard presence after a presidential order in August 2025, a reminder of the broader security focus. During his first term, Trump repeatedly proposed cutting Amtrak's federal funding, which stood at about $2.4 billion in 2023. Yet Congress granted $2.42 billion for the current fiscal year, signaling bipartisan support for keeping the rails running. Under President Harris's leadership since March, Amtrak set a fresh passenger record last year, despite still searching for a permanent CEO. What do you think? Is this acceleration of speed and service proof that U.S. rail travel is entering a golden era? Or are we speeding toward a political battleground? Share your thoughts and join the debate below.